Looking for a smarter way to manage home warranties and service requests? Meet Home Warranty CRM Software, a powerful all-in-one contractor management system built with PHP, CodeIgniter, and MySQL. After builders hand over a property, homeowners often face plumbing, electrical, and maintenance issues during the warranty period. This software helps track everything, from homeowner details and property data to warranty timelines and service history. Once the warranty expires, the system smoothly switches to paid service workflows without missing a beat. Admins can manage vendors, contractors, and suppliers from one central dashboard. Issues are categorized by home locations like kitchens, bedrooms, and halls, making problem resolution faster and more organized. Homeowners submit service requests, upload photos or documents, and track progress in real time. Meanwhile, admins assign vendors, process claims, and close tickets efficiently, all from one platform. Best of all, you get the full source code, so you can customize the system to match your business needs or scale it as you grow. If you're building a home warranty service platform, this is the complete solution you've been looking for.